stepped out. May I ask who's calling? May I ask who's calling? Oh, Mrs. Bell. Can you call back in about 2 hours? He should be back in 2 hours. Actually... Oh, when are you gonna get your glasses back? I really have no idea. When he comes back, I can ask him. Okay? Okay, just call back in 2 hours. Yeah. Or he can call you, whichever one is easier for you, Mrs. Bell. Okay? You're welcome.
So what are you doing, man? What are you doing?
I'm gonna close the door on you.
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
See ya. Oh, no. This is what happens. What happened to you? What happened? Around it. Yikes. Ew. Let me show the top. The top of the finger, the fingernail. Ooh, that's scratching the butt.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it already. Because my battery's going in a minute. So I just gotta take as much as I want.
Sonst mach du nochmal zu. Willst du machen, Chef?
Yeah, do it.
Oh, we did it.
Geh raus und
What do we want to do?
just slam the door. Mach zu und just slam the door.
First you show big finger.
Okay, well, here we are at 963 Arrow Highway. My mama's gonna crack us again.
So what, this?
A super fattening diet soda.
Yeah, 2 dinners.
Somebody call in?
Holiday sale.
Yeah.
Oh, I got me some shoes. Kelly's gonna fit you, man?
Hey, mucho más.
Hey, did you find anything, sir?
You actually used to have it?
Uh-huh.
I should return it, huh?
Return it.
Still bleeding.
Am I right? I'm right. I'm not right. Just open up the microphone.
No, you finished.
Phew.